start again. It's a rage thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So these are the nails I did in yesterday's video using paper foams for the first time, and I didn't have time to decorate them and show you the design. So this is just a quick video, guys. These are the stamping plates that I pulled out to use. Yeah, just a quick one. So I'm going to give them a quick base coat because I want a tacky layer for the images to stick to. Yeah, I used paper foams and builder in a bottle yesterday. Never used paper foams before. But they turned out alright, didn't they? Look at them. I was well proud of myself. So I'm going to stick that in the lamp now for 30 seconds. I will leave links below to the products I used yesterday as well, guys. You can get 20% off Born Pretty website with my code Aggie20. So I've got a Born Pretty jelly stamper and I'm using She Modern black sticky stamping polish. Couple of swipes of my scraper, and then I like to roll my stamper onto the image. Just roll it over, and then I'm going to get rid of all them excess bits that I don't want. So it's just a plain black leopard design, isn't it? So I've pulled out a pink stamping polish. I'm going to put some on my palette, and I'm going to colour in all them little leopardy kind of dots. I'm so sorry, I don't know why my screen went dark. I'll sort it out in a minute. I do notice, I do put my head up from time to time. And I noticed my screen's so dark. So I've just coloured all them in. I'm going to leave that off to the side now to dry. And I'm going to pull out another stamper and do the exact same thing. Rather than wait for that to dry and do another, I thought I'll do another whilst that one's drying. So same again, couple of swipes, roll my stamper over it, get rid of all that excess and colour them in. So that's both of them done now. I'm going to leave them off to the side to dry, and I'm going to do another. I want this little strip to go up the centre of another nail. So again, I'm going to just put a little bit of polish, scrape it over the image, roll my stamper, get rid of all that excess, and same again, I'm going to colour all them little dots in. Sticky stamping polish, guys. It's called sticky stamping polish because it takes longer to dry, which then allows you to pour glitters into it and pigments into it. So it does take longer to dry. I left these for a good 5 minutes and they still weren't quite dry. I didn't leave them long enough. So I've pulled out this glitter from Charlie's Nail Art. It's just a matte neon pink, and I'm using the base coat again. I'm going to sprinkle this into the pinky. So a coat of base coat and I'm leaving that wet, and I'm just going to sprinkle this glitter into that wet base coat and cure that in the lamp. I'm going to give it 60 seconds, a double cure, just to make sure it cures through that glitter. Right, so that's one nail down, 4 to go. So I'm just going to press these on and kind of roll them side to side. They were a little bit too wide, these images, for my little skinny nails. The smile line wasn't as deep as I personally like my smile lines to be, but it was alright. It wasn't too bad. Can you see the smile line's a bit, I don't know, it's a personal thing, isn't it? I like my smile lines a little bit deeper. So same again on this one, I press it and kind of roll it side to side and pull it off. So I'm just going to use a clean-up brush with a bit of acetone just to get that little bit off my skin there. And that's them 2 nails done. So I'm going to put that last image straight up the centre of this nail now. And for my thumb, I kind of just used the paint that was on my palette and just did a couple of freehand ones. I could have stamped them, but yeah, I really wasn't happy with my thumb. The shaping, the structure, it was all off. So yeah, I just painted a couple of freehand ones, left that to dry, top coated them, and that was it, done. I don't know why I find them so funny. I'm not used to short stumpy nails, but I really like them. I really like them. I'm definitely gonna do shorter nails like this more often. They're much more practical, for sure. Yeah, I just need to work on that shaping a bit more. But yeah, I really liked them. So there we go, guys, that is then finished. Quick little simple design on cute little stumpy snails. Let me know what you think, guys. You like them? Do you prefer my nails this length, or do you prefer the longer ones? All depends on my mood, I think. Anyway, that is all the colours that I swatched in yesterday's video of the Born Pretty extension gel builder in a bottle. Don't forget, guys, you can get 20% off using my code. It'll all be in my description box. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.